You don't need no perfect people. Sing it for me. You don't mean I love the key. I love me wrong. You just can't take it from me. The $1,000,000 Christians. What the fuck you know? You need me. And I see a culture. Thank you so much, beautiful Rita! Rita!
In Uganda, here you ask for what
inside PG. Pull up! Pull up! Fuck you so good, make you feel like you're right. Girl, I just love all the eye you come like a light. Let's say your secret, see it for me, you're gonna try. Now pussy that thing to make me sure you are mine. Oh, God! BG! BG! BG!
Discretion is advised.
Thank you so much, you guys. Are you ready? I said, are you ready? You wonder, see that I miss you. You make the fragrance from home. You come back. You make me fly like a bird. beautiful girl over there. I promise, we're gonna keep it PG. Wow. I feel amazing tonight. Do you feel amazing? You got me? Let's try this song again. Are you ready? Let's do it. This is the better, it's you. You and I. Can't forget us tomorrow. That you come on. You let me fly like a to the side. This is the better, it's you. See me talking to you. We did say PG. Pull up! Pull up! We did say PG. We did say PG. No, we're gonna keep it PG. Can I take you back again? Thank you, baby. Go on, Steve. Please let's take the 13 steps. Oh my word. You got how you feel? Can I have my ladies scream for me, please? I need more nice now. Can I have my ladies scream for me, please? Let me have my touch them say, ooh. That's heavy. That sound like me, but I feel so good. I want to try this next song. Can I keep up some more arms? Still so simple, I'm gonna be careful because of my talent. Listen. No, you can't be louder than that. Girl, if I could shed you on like a snake's down Girl, if I could shed you on like a snake's down so good, make you feel like you're right. Girl, I just love all the way you come like a wife. Let's say your secret, see if you can try. That pussy that thing to make me sure you are mine. Oh, God. BG! 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 My words are so beautiful. I don't want you to leave yet. Don't leave yet, baby. Stay right there. You see the part of the songs that says, cock up your, the part that want you jump on me, yeah? Fuck you so good, make you feel like you just love all me and you're good. Take a tear for me and we try out. We said that pussy the pit, you see her part, you know. Look the other, cock up your pussy, go the other. Thank you so much, beautiful. I love you so much.
Well, we don't want BG.
Uganda, you are just like me. We love fun. Bless up the tongues down. The gals them say, ooh. Never fuck nobody like that. Never fuck nobody. She should stop. Never fuck nobody like that. This pussy by far. Never fuck nobody like that. She said she wants to just act easy. She said I want to do what y'all be friends. The cocky got her up in her. You got her. Whoa, that's not peace. On the side. The book just feels so. Don't you wanna cry? She on the side. So what did you matter? Are you feeling that? She opened up like a window. We make she play like a flamingo. We make she rush with the she don't fear you. You say that everyone. Don't give me your feet, just free. You don't feel you're so up to me, so. She don't check. She said that Papa, you anything goes. Well on there, which Papa will come down so down there. Oh yeah, she opened up like a window. If you don't see that, she go. I want to say something. Don't stop the beat. I want to say something. My backup singers are from Uganda. I want to hear them. Let's go. Stop. She opened up like a window. She got like a flamingo. Oh my word, that's so sweet now. She opened up like a window. Behave for yourself. Behave for no blood clots. Uganda, I did not know it was like this. And I swear to God, you make me feel so alive. When I come here, I feel warm. For that tonight, I want to make sure I sing your favorite songs. I don't want to skip anything. I want to take my very precious time with you and make we have the most fun we can. Yo, play a tune. Uganda, you ready again? Stop fighting, keep my calm, you are fighting. You're too nice to whip the one on that belly. Stop fighting, oh, you reach me so. Oh, you're too nice to whip the one on that belly. Sing it, Uganda! Breaking news. I'm not killing better, guess I got the pussy too good. Breaking news. Your pussy too good. Breaking news. I'm not killing better, guess I got the pussy too good. Breaking news. If you's a king, treat her like a queen. Never send all the porn on like a queen. Don't be the man with just can't understand them, the blood with a fist. PG. Listen, I don't want to break the rules. Show me what you can. Don't forget, just start tonight. There's a nice feeling on the track. Let's go now. Proper truth will not be on this morning. Could be all about this charge. Just not from how you music keep traveling. Oh, it's still a joke song. We are all to instantly. Oh, God, just not speak Christian. Oh, God, everybody is problem. Also, cramp up to a wind problem. We have a run back a big basket. Phone up your phone at the big sauce. Oh, she come up the good big problem. We for closing with this party. Oh, I love you so much, Uganda. You are showing me so much love, and I want you to know I really appreciate it from my heart. Team on time. Pull up. I want to ask you a question. I don't know who truly knows me, but I just want to say, respect to the people that just found out about Dexter Daps. I want to say respect to my new fans out there. And I want to let you know that you're in for a good treat. But I've been singing for a while now. And you could say I've been exposed to the business about 10 years. That's a whole decade. So I've been doing music for a while. Hold on. Do I have any fans from those days? No. I'm really gonna test you and I don't want you to lie to me, Uganda. Which part of the one fans them there? Play a tune! As I said, Uganda, these are my first songs that I put out in the world. I just want to perform them for you. Friends for me, we love them. But some of them are liar. Oh God, Uganda. Remember I'm in the this good never. I don't lie to you, we are living now. Well, I'm down, oh, but just wait till me up, yeah, but see who I look down. White house, to your boss. Hey, me the verse now, let me step out now. Me say me now say you don't be move on, but no move on, me don't be too long. I know you be for those who can't stick to one foot for too long. Give me this Uganda, give me this Uganda. Make we lift up the voice, my man, sing. Remember I'm leaving you up, but me see you need a rub. I know your IG, your phone, we don't live with it all. Live up the energy now, but just wait till me up, you can see who I look down. Hey, your white goes to your boss. Hey, 1, 3, 5, bye. Thanks for being in the market, but some of them don't know you. That's my introduction to those who didn't know. Now my new fans them. Jesus Christ. Let's mix the crowd. This is between me, the new fans, my old fans. So that means that we and Uganda have to sing this next one. Sexiness up, come up in everything. Your pussy make me want stop, 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 stop. you so much, beautiful Rita! Rita!
In Uganda, here you ask for water. Rita, 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 Rita.
Beautiful Rita, one more
Hey, Adama Zara. Just feel it, you're pushing me over. You got no one to hear your beautiful voice. Sing na 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 na. Lord. One more time for me now. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Thank you so much, Uganda. Can I leave? It's not over. You must be crazy. You can't take a joke. Uganda give me gifts. So I will give you Uganda gifts. Quick story. I just want to tell the people of Uganda a quick story. I am not a fan of jewelry. I'm not a fan of those type of things. But I will wear them. Let me tell you what I am. I'm a good receiver of a gift. If you give me a gift, you're gonna see it again. But watch. This watch right here. So I went to the club just about 2 nights ago. And a chief from Uganda walked up to me. And he started showing me with money. So let me tell you the truth. I'm not used to that. I don't know what it means. But I'm holding my cool like, what is going on here? So after he finishes, I go, it's all love, man. It's all love, respect. So he says, Dexter loves you have no clue how much we love you. Uganda love you so much. I want to come back to your home and give you the same visit you give us. That's what he said to me. And he said, I want you to take this gift to remember me. And I thought about it. But then I said, live in the moment, Dexter. So I took his watch and put it on my wrist. And I'm gonna make him see for a very long time. I'm not a person that wears jewelry, as I said, or anything like this. But I will make sure I keep it secret. To the chief of Uganda, to the rest of Uganda, I just want to say thank you so much for showing me so much love. Thank you so much! Going down, so